Ready to flip the script on foldables? Motorola's Razr 60 Ultra launches April 24th with a huge 4-inch cover screen and slick vegan leather vibes. It's trending wild among foldable fans, and X is buzzing about its bold colors. Want to know why this phone's a must-have? Stick around, the hype's real. What's good, Tech Squad? Welcome back to GadInsider. It's April 2025, and Motorola just confirmed the Razr 60 Ultra and the standard Razr 60, which are dropping on April 24th. Packing a Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chip and a 4-inch cover display, this foldable's got fans on X and other sources losing it over its vegan leather finish and pop-in colors. Let's dive into why the Razr 60 Ultra is stealing the spotlight. So, what's got everyone hyped? The Razr 60 Ultra, also called Razr Plus 2025 in the US, is a foldable masterpiece. 4-inch POLED cover display is a game changer. Watch TikToks, reply to texts, or use Gemini AI without flipping it open. Powered by the Snapdragon 8s Gen 3, it's a beast for gaming and multitasking, paired with up to 12GB RAM and 512GB storage. The 6.9-inch inner OLED rocks a 165Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth visuals. Sources are raving about the vegan leather finish. Think textured, eco-friendly flair in colors like Rio Red, Spring Green, and maybe even a wood-like vibe. At 189 grams and 7.3mm thin when unfolded, it's sleek yet durable with an IPX8 rating. April 24 is gonna be lit. Why is this blowing up? Foldable fans are obsessed with the 4-inch cover screen. Practically a second phone. X posts are hyping the vegan leather's grip and style, with one user calling it the sexiest foldable yet. The dual 50MP cameras, main and telephoto, promise crisp shots, while the 32MP selfie cameras ready for your Instagame. Sources note that it's a direct shot at Samsung's Z Flip 7, especially with a rumored $999 price tag that undercuts rivals. Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 brings AI smarts and power efficiency, and Android 15's Hello UI keeps it clean and snappy. Whether you're a vlogger, a gamer, or just love flexing bull tech, the Razr 60 Ultra's got that it factor. Alright, let's get you on this. Picture snagging the Razr 60 Ultra. What's your vibe? Flipping it open to game on that 6.9-inch OLED? Snapping selfies with a cover screen? Or rocking that vegan leather in Rio Red for the gram? Drop your dream Razr moment in the comments.